In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows in Notion. If you've ever wanted simple, clear visual cues to guide readers through your pages, arrows are a fast, built-in solution that work anywhere you can type. We'll keep this quick and straightforward so you can start using them right away. First, open the page where you want the arrow and click to place your cursor exactly where it should appear. Positioning matters because arrows are inserted in line with your text. So set the cursor before, after, or between words, depending on the effect you want. Once your cursor is in place, type a / followed by the word emoji. Then press enter. This is Notion's shortcut to bring up the emoji picker instantly without leaving your keyboard. If you prefer the mouse, you can still click into the page first and then use the same / command. With the emoji picker open, look for the search bar at the top. Click into it and type the word arrow. This filters the entire emoji library down to arrow-related options, making it much faster than scrolling. You should now see multiple arrow styles, so you can choose the one that best fits your layout or meaning. Common options include left, up, right, down, left, right, return, and reply styles, like fey, 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 and fey. Pick the one that communicates your direction or action most clearly. Keep in mind that emoji designs can look slightly different depending on your device and operating system. But the function stays the same. A few quick tips to make your arrows work harder for you. Add a space before and after the arrow for readability, especially in dense text. If you want a visual lead in for steps or navigation, place an arrow at the start of a line and follow it with your instruction. Arrows also scale with text size, so if you place them in headings, callouts, or larger text, they'll appear more prominent. You can combine arrows with labels like next fey or back fey to create simple navigation cues within a long page. And if you plan to reuse the same arrow, copy and paste it wherever you need it to keep your formatting consistent. That's all there is to it. Place your cursor, use the /emoji command, search for arrow, and select the style you like. It's quick, clean, and keeps your pages easy to scan. Thanks for watching.